Esan oye. Menon High Chief Robert Tukoineme, the Oduma of the universe. My talk where I made that talk was, did that 3 minutes said it, that 20 woka. That man, one man, never time. Make weki tonne money, Ajimako Swanny load. COVID-19 rema mevie. O seba jole se sangbe ba gongo. Ojú rẹ̀ máa wúwo. Jésù máa jọlé sàmágbé bá gangan o. Súyèrè òbòkàmà súyèrè ìbòjú rẹ̀ máa máa. Ìbòkàmà súyèrè ìbòjú rẹ̀ máa máa. Ẹ̀wòlò súyèrè ìbòjú rẹ̀ máa máa. Ó sẹ́bà jọlé sàmágbé bá gangan o. Ìmọ̀mọ́dé rẹ̀ gbé mi o. Jésù mẹ́ ọbàjọ́ ìdásẹ́. COVID-19 rẹ̀ máa mú. Ó sẹ́ máa jọlé sẹ́mẹ́gbè bá dé mẹ́gàngàn. Súyèrè òbòkàmà súyèrè ìbòjú rẹ̀ máa máa. Bòkàmà súyèrè ìbòjú rẹ̀ máa máa. Súyèrè ìbòjú rẹ̀ máa máa. Sẹ́ máa jọlé sẹ́mẹ́gbè bá gangan o. Ẹ̀hó bẹ́ndé bàtà ìbùkìsá. Ràmùdé bìṣọ́ mẹ́ta ẹ̀hó bẹ́ndé bàtà. Òyà kígbe wókàmá. Ebi mẹ́dàgé ọ̀sùnú ni á. Nọ̀bá mẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mẹ́ta ẹ̀hó bẹ́ndé bàtà. Ràmùdé ìsìkpìrì ànùmé bọ̀tìrì bẹ̀ bá original ọmọ. Ó kà ẹgbẹ̀dẹ̀ bó. Òhàmẹ̀ 19 ọ̀váì. Ebe kiri bó tọ́ ni ánimá dàda rẹ̀ pa ẹ̀ bó. Òhàmẹ̀ dótọ́ ìsàrí ọ̀díje rẹ̀bẹ̀rẹ̀bẹ̀ Nàìjíríà. Mẹ̀bíbà. Iman on the common and no blayo no SMIB. We have a role to play. Madisa bo support no common. But a pan me woki dage ni di kakane o hameze. Nabde we yerege a no hamegbe oitemwata. Ware atebo social distancing na eba se hebuweta ore no hamegbe ukeke yole ho. Emo e ba paria. Ọ̀pá kìnnà ni á kéde fẹ́ kéde bá fẹ́ ó kàn padà dé kíyè but it is time n'ara yé bíẹ́ ibo kan bá wẹ̀jẹ̀ rere orí bẹ́ẹ̀ bó ebo bẹ̀bọ̀ sọ wẹ̀dá àṣàbọ̀ akẹ́ bó ebo làwẹ̀ kíyè ayé ló ní màṣọ ọ̀nà akọ́nọ́mọ́ ọ̀nà akọ́nọ́mọ́ ọ̀nà akọ́nọ́mọ́ ọ̀nà akọ́nọ́mọ́ ọ̀nà má jí mẹ́yù wọ̀rí. Ona akono mo no magime ya abroad yo. Ona akono mo no magime kpana obesandiga hebata yologo. Boni kita rambude abama binemo abiema ida debugwa ida ande no mogima. Onde no mo marese bo ebo e maresiko we yerege ebe santi o homode de you abroad. It has nothing to do with who is in US or who is in London. Ebolebo is ebolebo to them. We are panoburo mi weda we ko homo de weji so homo de mato e ba de begbe ne bu homo de ba to abi wagi ma fono to wa is there be a minute be stone where they get buy be ne tell them to take some out and give their neighbors buy more and add to it etati egbe igande etati dumu igande let them know that their son when their daughter is concerned about them. Remember also the less privileged in your society. Remember the problem we are facing now. Any job a day, a yes about your job. The widows that used to get support from NGOs, from individuals didn't go home again. Usually, they will be able to also take care of their family, find out what they want to be doing for a living. This year is cancelled. Okay, the church where some of them also run to tell pastor, please today I'm in the service, I don't have money to go home, and they will get something to go home and feed. It's not going on. So who is the only one that can help the night? It's me and you. So you can say, when I will go, although hamena, magma warfare. Now, bude aha me, oh hamedog bori abodege na whether don't tell me that and say you want to do bury a Holy Ghost fire. The Holy Ghost will fire the person and fire his emina. Because it is proper when somebody is alive, able morere by Nile. Not that when the person dies, you go and buy most expensive casket. So this time, the only fear I have for people and for our loved ones is that they need to be rich. If they are not rich, there will be a very, very serious problem. We might even record more deaths as a result of hunger. Because on a day with 6 or 7 children, the BP will rise and the person can die. So let's save life. We can save life just with a phone call to that your auntie, that your uncle you used to call a winch, that you don't want to greet him anymore, you don't want to talk, call them now. Because coronavirus does not say this man is a winch, this man is government official, this man is governor. He's dealing with everybody. So this time God has used this thing to humble the world. So it is time to show love to such person. Even if they were witchcraft and they were ekeda akole working as or anything, azebo biebaele or bomole or bakiyemiele, what do you think they will do in the coven? It's a good question that I need you to answer. Na bude merosombo aviva na domia unu aretemo akirokuta akimyoka. So medaro nege na tamedi genebe sande hwaya imonde semande ru homo de ba de town ne ye bokere ne yo to ware any leader in the society, especially those of us even within the home that we know that we are okay emi rima bekpa onege na ready emi siwo body oyekona ona ye generate ayo bitu ado afi 100,000. You don't need that whole problem now. Those money now should go to those who need it so that they can survive. So ibokama ona me yod mende batao ramde esa asilokpa eke owe wa gbudulo ya no mo bekweze yewe bekweze wa gbudulo ya no mo belagize bekweze ona mo gagi ka mo kole oya yeribo o for those of you who may not understand the issue, it says if you suffer for a child, there's nothing to worry about if the child is full of wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, and he gets sense where to remember where they come from. Because when the child becomes great in life, he will remember you, he will remember the community. Remember when people give birth to a child, other maybe we buy Roswa. But when God bless you, and you are doing well, you are no longer Mr. John's son. Everybody will say, our son. So some of us, God have been able to bless us from a present of Igben Bikakyo. Ojeme was able to take his place. Madam Remo and Yiso, we are now in abroad, we are now in Lagos, we are now in Port Harcourt. That's against the plans and negative wish of the devil who could not stop our destiny. Now let me tell you, if nobody could stop you in this your struggle and you are where you are today, they could not stop you, they could not make you remain in the village. No witch have the power to destroy you. So in that case, I'm assuring you that we are one saying now, Azenda no be a bali on Azenki Rumo, a buy were nile. So on the buy any oki chain yesi, ego no sevaki abuwa, or no maybe no buwa kisabo buwa, no maybe no demoto about demoto. Any more baby abroad. As you sow this seed, you will be giving your resident and your permit. You'll be giving your permit, your stay. Nothing will stop you. Just take it that this is the time to reach God's heart. You are not actually reaching these people. You are reaching God's heart. Because that's what the Bible simply says, love your neighbor as you love thyself. Ida twedion, ida twikpea, ida tweniho, ida tusanwokan, ida twibenesede, ida ba hu awowo ono sabo ye bewe iwe no ayere arekpa ni pe ani won are na bo toisan. Ba don dey hear and rebe we ba rekpa. Anything you can do samege ne rekoa. abdo no emu amebu wa oda sabok pa pobo ana me ake ati haji ana ba kpobo eri hand sanitizer ere gbole so ba hu awo anyway no re asabore hepegbe bagmare hepegbe ona me od meta ma wa ukpede kelena gbolo gbeva tike telege tegule hiokpa suse nologo onode iya